Hi guys, Pepper in the Woods here, and I've seen a few projects going on for making their own bow saw. So I decided to make my own. So that's the back side of it, and that's the front side. I've made mine a little bit different, only because materials I had to use. Plus I want to make this really pack friendly. So as you can see here, there's no blade showing on mine, so I can stuff this in my bag and not get cut or rip up my kit. So I'm going to try to do this as gracefully as I can from behind the camera. I've got these, which are just Velcro ties for like your cables at home for computer cables. So I've been using that to keep everything together. So just going to undo that and just put that to the side. So my main parts is that's for the middle frame, and on here I kind of just notched it with a knife to give it a bit of a groove to go into the middle. So I'll put that on the side. Now here is where mine differs from a few other people. Is I had this just spare piece of wood laying around, and what I did was I made a shelf in here, and I'll do a little close-up picture in a bit. But I made a shelf in here, so the blade actually sits on that. From an angle here, it's a bit better, that we can see that, you know, it won't pop out. The only reason that it comes on this side a little bit is from the knots, and I'll get to that in the end. But for my one, so the blades are down behind the wood. Again, you know, it's fine. But then the arms come out on mine to here. So that's where I think mine differs a little bit. So I notched out this bit here. So again, I'll do a close-up in a minute. But that's where the blade stops. And then all you have to do is put the piece of wood in the middle and then secure it with a rope going across, which I'll do that now. So you can see here, I'm a little crooked on this. So when I was building it, I was just doing eyeball and everything on size-wise. But I'd make the wide side here my handle. So that's the side I would use. And then everything's quite secure, you know, as a bow saw should be. But yeah, so that's my take on it. So if you are going to make one, just make it, instead of having the blade up, just make the blade down and all the pieces would fold into it. That's the way I do it. If I was going to make this again, what I would do is drill a hole through here and put a toggle on there, and then drill a hole on that side and put another toggle on that way. That way when it folds up, the rope won't be in the way. And then of course maybe get this straight. But other than that, I was happy with that, because this whole thing only cost me £3 for the blade. And the rest of it was just scrap wood I had laying around and a bit of cordage. So that's the front. Again, that's the back. Just had a washer and a nut there. Washer and nut there. And that's it. So let me know what you guys think. If this is a better one, like I said, I made it. The idea in mind was making it pack friendly, so it all folds up into one piece and doesn't rip my bag. But thanks guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments section, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.